Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to my training video. And as I've been bringing you videos all the time, regularly, but some in Urdu, some in English language, and it's very difficult for me to do so many videos because I'm also busy with my work and my training as well. But I'm keep building my English playlist as well, so I have quite a few videos in English language as well. So if you haven't subscribed my channel or haven't been to my English video playlist, go in there and you can find quite a few videos, helpful video of snooker training and coaching over there. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel before we start our today's training. And today's training is very important. I'm in Abu Dhabi at the moment, so there is a small camera restriction. That's why I'm focusing on the black today, and we'll do some practice on black ball. So guys, before we start, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press the bell button and share my channel with your friends, with your colleagues, in fact the rivals as well, which definitely nobody wants that they should learn, they learn. But still, it's a positive sport. We should appreciate every player whoever is playing. So winning and losing, it comes secondly. If you want to have personal training in one-to-one personal training session, there are numbers over there. You can call me on that number, or you can leave me a WhatsApp message if that number is closed, or you can contact me through my Facebook, through my email, or my personal my Instagram. You can contact me from any mean that is possible. If you want to invite me to your club, if you want to invite me to your city, to your country, do let me know. I do travel just like this. I was in Oman last 2 months, and then now I'm in Abu Dhabi, and I do travel, and I'll let you know when I'm going to the next country as well. So I hope you are ready for today's practice, and it's very interesting, and that is going to be 5 blacks, which is definitely a tricky practice, but it's very interesting practice. So let's start our today's training class, and it is going to be a challenge as well, because if you guys can complete this practice, you can send me the video and I will help you out with the I will share it on my YouTube channel for more people to learn, for more people to understand how this can be done. So I hope you will do it. The good idea is to keep them in one line, because if they are offline, they are not straight in one line. This will be a problem. And also keep them in such a distance that one ball should fall in both of these pockets. So that is also one of the good idea. Okay, now next practice is very interesting.